Eggplants unveiled a link to cancer and dementia in unhealthy food combinations. Eating eggplants alongside certain other foods has been linked to the development of cancer and dementia. Surprisingly, even seemingly healthy eggplants have specific combinations of foods that can be either beneficial or detrimental. The key lies in consuming eggplants correctly to ensure their positive impact on the body. Pairing them with unhealthy foods can actually compromise your health. Today, our focus is on eggplants, renowned for their energy-boosting properties. Thanks to their cooling properties, consuming eggplants in hot weather can effectively reduce the body's heat. Particularly during seasons marked by fatigue induced by high temperatures, prioritizing eggplants over tonics is a wise choice. However, even with such a healthful food like eggplants, there are specific foods that can potentially harm your well-being. Let's now explore the 3 least advisable foods to combine with eggplants to prevent cancer and dementia, as well as the 3 best foods to promote a longer and healthier life. Cucumber. Firstly, the least advisable food to pair with eggplants is cucumber. It might seem unexpected, considering that many people enjoy a refreshing cold eggplant soup with cucumber during hot weather or incorporate them together for dietary purposes. However, it's crucial to steer clear of this combination. Eggplants, naturally cooling, are excellent for reducing body heat on scorching summer days and aiding circulation. Nevertheless, for individuals with an inherently cool body, combining eggplants and cucumbers can have adverse effects. Both ingredients contribute to a cooling effect, potentially leading to digestive issues, abdominal pain, and even cold-related conditions. Furthermore, both eggplants and cucumbers boast a high water content, comprising 95% of their composition. This makes them low in calories and rich in dietary fiber, promoting circulation and preventing dehydration on hot summer days. However, excessive consumption, especially when paired, can intensify diuretic effects, posing potential harm to the kidneys. Emphasizing the importance of moderation, it's vital to maintain a balanced intake even with nutritious foods. Raw eggplants. Secondly, the least advisable way to consume eggplants is in their raw form. To fully capitalize on the benefits of eggplants, proper preparation is essential. Eggplants contain solanine, a toxic substance also found in sprouted potatoes. Ingesting raw eggplants can result in symptoms such as abdominal pain, dizziness, and even severe consequences like respiratory distress and loss of consciousness. Cooking eggplants becomes crucial to neutralize solanine, ensuring a much tastier and safer culinary experience. Heating eggplants not only enhances their flavor but also eliminates potential health risks associated with raw consumption. It's advisable to avoid eating them raw, especially considering potential allergic reactions. Opting to pair eggplants with pork is an excellent choice due to their delightful taste and nutritional compatibility. With potassium content aiding sodium excretion and blood pressure regulation, combined with a stabilizing effect on heart rate, eggplants are ideal for preventing and managing hypertension. Deep-fried eggplants. Finally, the least recommended method of consuming eggplants is through deep frying. Frying eggplants can result in excessive oil absorption due to their porous nature, especially when using oils such as corn oil or vegetable oil. The concern lies in the consumption of omega-6 fatty acids present in these oils. Overindulging in omega-6 fatty acids can trigger inflammation and blood clot formation, contributing to chronic inflammatory diseases like arthritis, cancer, and dementia. Instead of deep frying, opt for stir frying with oils rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such as sesame oil. Omega-3 fatty acids have anti-inflammatory effects, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. Particularly known for its high omega-3 content, sesame oil becomes a healthier choice. By stir-frying eggplants in sesame oil, you not only preserve their nutritional value but also enhance the dish's flavor. Additionally, sesame oil supports brain health, potentially preventing dementia. Eggplant and broccoli. Now, let's explore the optimal way to consume eggplants. Instead of pairing them with cucumber, we suggest combining eggplants with broccoli for their remarkable synergy. Studies conducted in Japan revealed that consuming eggplants and broccoli together resulted in over 82% inhibition of cancer growth. The alkaloid compounds in eggplants, along with their dietary fiber, aid in eliminating animal fats linked to colorectal, breast, and ovarian cancers. Moreover, the anthocyanin pigments in eggplants, responsible for their dark purple hue, contain anthocyanins and hyacinth, effectively reducing cholesterol levels and eliminating accumulated waste in blood vessels, preventing metabolic syndrome. Broccoli's sulforaphane and indole, known for their anti-cancer effects, synergize with eggplants, offering outstanding cancer prevention benefits. This vegetable combination activates immune enzymes, suppresses inflammatory responses that create cancer cells, and aids in cancer prevention. The vitamin C content in broccoli is twice that of lemons and nearly equivalent to that in potatoes, providing antioxidant effects and preventing aging. To maximize the absorption of beneficial components, consider preparing eggplants and broccoli together, enhancing their flavors with sesame oil, and don't forget to consume the eggplant skin for its rich polyphenol content. Eggplant and pork. Combining eggplants and pork in your cooking enhances the depth of flavors. The linoleic acid and vitamin E found in eggplants work harmoniously with pork, ensuring optimal absorption rates. To achieve the best results, opt for plump and glossy eggplants that aren't overly thick, guaranteeing a delicious dish that perfectly marries taste and nutrition. In conclusion, when incorporating eggplants into your diet, it's crucial to carefully select complementary pairings and cooking methods to maximize their health benefits. Steering clear of incompatible combinations and adopting healthy cooking practices ensures you reap the nutritional advantages of eggplants while fostering overall well-being. Employing proper preparation and cooking techniques enhances the synergy between eggplants and other ingredients, making them a delightful and healthful addition to your meals. Remember, a balanced and informed approach to food choices is essential for maintaining good health. Thank you immensely for tuning in. Wishing you robust health, abundant prosperity, and boundless joy in every aspect of life.